We are so grateful for the help that you have brought, and we say we shall use it for its own purpose. Awach Tamadano.
Hello, it's another exciting day today as we conclude our hub builds here in Awach, Gulu district. As you can see, it is our final day. The hub is up and running. Our tower is up, the dome is up, and in my background it is we are doing our final handover ceremony where political leaders, elders, children, women, the youth come together and we take them through the system. Thank you for promoting digital education in these communities. This is a rural setup area, but I'm so happy the community has understood and embraced the project. Thank you so much, Aberdeen, Rock Telecom, everyone for supporting and make this happen.